For stitching, first place right side of the block and right side of the collar part facing each other and stitch for this side 1/2 inch. And take top stitch. Next again after done this part, stitch this side. Okay, then you will be getting like this. Other side also finish it off like this. Then you will be getting like this. This side we need to fold it and stitch it. This is back part, right? For the back part, we need to cut the neck. Next, shoulder attachment. Stitch for 1/2 inch. Here front part, you will be getting corner like this. Here take one small cut. Stitch till here and other side also finish it off same process. See here, after complete attachment, how much extra you are getting. We need to measure here to here. Take one marking and measure how much it is there. It's 2 inches. Okay. On the collar fabric also take 2 inches. Then draw one straight line. For 2 inches, join like this. Leave 1/2 inch and cut. Join the leftover fabric. Done. Then you will be getting like this. Here we'll attach the collar. Before collar attachment, this is shoulder part. This small part is for the shoulder. Stitch for 1/2 inch. This is shoulder part. This one attach. See, then you will be getting like this. Okay, other side also same. Clearly I will explain. See, whatever the finishing side is there. Okay, here this is the finishing part side. This one and this is the back block. Okay, back block, shoulder place. This is shoulder placement. Place like this and stitch for 1/2 inch. and flip. Okay, only this part is pending back. For that, only this part is pending. For that, fold. Okay, this is back neck and this is collar part. Place and stitch for 1/2 inch. See, done. Like this you will be getting. This is wrong side and this is right side. Now place like this. Okay, this is 9 inches marking, right? Till 9 inches marking, fold like this. This one also till 9 inches marking. Okay, and press it. After pressing and all, the collar is getting like this. Final look is looking like.